My name is Eva Lois, and I'm a pack leader for Flashpack in Portugal. What I enjoy the most about traveling would be how all of a sudden you can zoom out and just forget about time and enjoying and being present wherever you are. I think my favorite part of the trip would be Douro Valley, because I love seeing the reaction of the flashpackers when they arrive to such an amazing landscape in Portugal. It's very unexpected. I would say that my favorite place in Portugal is Lisbon, because I feel like home there. It's the city where I moved to 4 years ago to start a new chapter in my life. So yeah, for me, Lisbon is home. It's a very nice place for me. I know what it means being a tourist in Portugal, and I like sharing that empathy and that reactions with the flashpackers. So for me, that would be the best thing about being a pack leader, sharing the feeling of discovering a new place. Being a flashpack leader makes me feel very proud and honored to be the one showing places that are not the touristy places, so they can have an amazing and different experience, something that is out of the box. So I feel proud being part of it. I feel like everyone should come to Portugal, because we see Portugal as a very small country in this corner of Europe, but it has many things to offer. And it has the beach, it has gastronomy, it has amazing people, very welcoming people. They are gonna make you feel like home since the beginning. You have forests, you have natural parks, everything is here in Portugal.